Hello, Syntax Superstars. Okay, this video is going to show you how to change the Trickster so that you can have fresh gameplay over and over. So the first thing I'm going to do is go here and make a copy. And just to be on the safe side, you want to make a copy every time that you mess with the slide deck for a few reasons. That way you can keep the games for year after year, but also it helps so it doesn't, just in case some slides get deleted or any of the elements get deleted, you will be able to go back and remake it, and you're not going to have to worry about the game completely being broken. Okay, so the way to change the Trickster, this is really easy. First of all, we want to remember that this is our set Trickster in the original slide deck. So if we want to change to something else, let's say I want to make the creeper the new Trickster. So what I'm going to do is come over to the slide deck. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to search through my slides, and on the correct slide, I'm going to look for the correct slide that has the creeper on it. Here he is. Okay, so I'm going to replace him with our mob that was with this one. So I find it easier now. I have the PowerPoint mob tracker open. You can take it from the Google Slides one. It's fine as long as you can copy and paste him over here. And that's all I need to do is copy and paste him. I'm going to have to resize him so that he fits in here. But this way it's going to make it so kids are crossing him off their tracker and not the creeper. So that way you have a fresh gameplay. And of course, if you want to get really intricate, you can go back and move your mobs around so that they're not in the same position for the same questions. Totally up to you how deeply you want to go in and change those slides. But that's all you have to do. Then when you go and play this through, when the kids play this through this time, they're going to be crossing him off of their tracker rather than the creeper, and the creeper is going to end up being the Trickster for this gameplay. Hey, happy playing!